Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring the latest in beauty insights straight to your screen. Let's talk about a product that promises to add warmth and dimension to your face with ease: the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Bronzer. If you're a fan of cream bronzers, this might be a game changer for you, but let's dive into the details and see if it truly delivers. First off, the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Bronzer comes in a convenient stick format, making it easy for on-the-go application. The finish is natural, and the coverage is buildable, so you can control the intensity depending on the look you're after. The shade After Dark is designed for medium to tan skin tones, offering that perfect sun-kissed glow without looking too harsh. When it comes to the texture, the formula is silky smooth, and it glides on effortlessly, blending seamlessly into the skin. There's no tugging, which makes it a dream for quick, no-fuss application. Whether you're using it on your cheekbones to sculpt or along your jawline for a little definition, the product provides a soft, natural finish that mimics the glow you'd get from a day in the sun. I tested it both during my regular makeup routine and on days when I was in a rush, and I have to say, the bronzer held up well. I applied it in the morning and found that it lasted through a busy day with minimal fading. The buildable coverage made it easy to adjust the bronzer's intensity, which is perfect if you want something subtle for daytime and a bit more drama for an evening out. But let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula's creamy texture is very forgiving, especially if you're not an expert with bronzing products. It blends easily, so there's no streaking or patchiness. The stick format is also travel-friendly, making it ideal for packing in your bag. However, one downside could be the shade range. After Dark works well for medium to tan skin tones, but if you have fairer or deeper skin, this specific shade might not be the best match for you. In terms of value for money, I think this bronzer is on the higher end of the price spectrum. But considering the quality, the ease of use, and how long it lasts on the skin, I would say it's worth the investment, especially for those who love a natural, sun-kissed glow that doesn't require much effort. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the stick mechanism is smooth. I didn't notice any breakage or issues with application over time, which is a good sign that this product will last a while. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few other bronzers on the market that offer similar benefits, but I would say that Tarte's formula stands out for its silky texture and natural finish. That said, if you're on a budget, there are definitely more affordable options out there that offer similar warmth and blendability, though you might not get the same luxurious feel that Tarte provides. In conclusion, the Tarte Maneater Silk Stick Bronzer delivers a natural, buildable bronzer that's perfect for adding warmth and dimension to your face. If you're into easy-to-use, travel-friendly makeup with a glowing finish, it's definitely worth checking out. However, if you're looking for a wider range of shades or something more budget-friendly, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.